Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold, guys. What am I expecting on gold? So what I'm expecting is, as you can see, based on the last analysis we did, we were around this area right here, and I said there's a possibility for us to continue to push to the upside because we can see, based on the prior price action, that whenever we get to this area right here, there's a possibility for a retracement, and we were currently around this trend line touch. So I said there's a possibility for us to tank to the upside, and if so, if you see more momentum for us to push to the upside, my TP will be my 61.8% fib level, which is 2093.85. That was my take, and I said we can also break the trend line. If we break the trend line, my TP will be certainly around here, just for us to touch the trend line before we either continue to push to the upside or to the downside. But as you can see, that we took more of the down route. We broke this trend line right here. We had some sort of retracement for us to confirm that we are going to continue on a bull run, on a bear run, and we can see we tested the trend line, gave us this lower high, then we continue to tank to the downside, guys. So now let's see. I'm just gonna we are now currently around my TP area, which is okay, right? We can see that we got around this level and just continue to retrace. So now let's just delete this previous analysis and just to analyze gold based on the based on this current price action. So I'm just going to go to a more bigger time frame just to look at the overall look on gold, guys. So I still think gold is on a bear move, just like my previous analysis, like I've mentioned on gold, that is giving me some sort of like an impulse, a correction. We are retracing around my 61.8% fib level, so there's a possibility for us to tank to the downside, having our first TP, which is around 1973 TP1, and my TP2 1928. That will be my TP2, but remember, this is the weekly time frame, which is a bigger time frame, so we have to take it one step at a time. So this is the, let's now see how that goes. We can see, so let's see a possibility for GU to at least you push down here to at least give us some touch of this trend line before we now know if it's going to push to the downside or if it's going to push to the upside when we get to this trend line right here. So we can see right here, if I can draw a mini line right here. So I actually seen it pushing up a little bit, so we might push up a little bit, then tank down. That's a possibility, or we can have this sort the tank to the downside. So let's me go to more smaller time frame. I think on more smaller time frame there is no, it's not working. I'm just gonna leave it. So I see something like impulse correction for us to push a little bit to the upside. Let's go. Yeah. So just so for buying on gold, guys, for a short buy on gold, I'm expecting some sort of like a push to right around here. So let's see, 26. So 20, 56. So let's change this to so for a buy on gold, guys, this would be a TP area for me. That's what I'm seeing on a buy. So let's see on a sell. This is what I'm seeing on a sell. 2020 81. So if you're gonna push to the downside, that would be a possible target for me right here. So something like this down here. So that is what we should be expecting on gold, guys, because gold can actually just tank up, have this retracement, push here before we now push to the downside. And you can see that this is a zone as well that hasn't been retested. We can see, so there's a possibility for it to we have